What's good, YouTube? Your boy Bossco back again at the mall here with my girl. About to go try to find her some stuff, man. Hopefully we can find some good shoes for her. I don't know what she's looking for, some kind of sporty something. I know she wants some white shoes, which is different from what I get. Yeah, we go to Kids Foot Locker too. That's why I saw some good shoes there too at Kids Foot Locker, but I didn't know which one to go after. So these are the ones we're gonna go with for her. They feel comfortable?
Yeah.
What size did you get?
I go with a size 6, but I just want to keep a little room.
Right, you gotta keep some room when you move around all day. Don't want your feet hurting. They know white on white still. All right. Okay. Cool. With her trying to find something, bro. Looking. October 1st. A lot of things dropped today. I don't know if you guys can see me because of the sun. A lot of shoes dropped today. I'm not sure how many of the releases that this Foot Locker got. But let's go ahead and see, man. Hopefully you have a great day wherever you are in the universe. Smash the like button, share the video, and subscribe to the channel if you are new. Let's go ahead and get into the mall, you dig? What do you guys think about these NMDs? Oh, okay. I'll be right there. What do you guys think about these in the comment section, these NMDs? Unfortunately, this Foot Locker does not have them Kobe's that dropped today, so I need to go ahead over to Hollywood and see if I can go catch them and get myself a pair. But while we're here real quick, let's go ahead and see what they have in stock. Those are pretty fire. Let's see. These are the ones we're talking about today, but the purple ones. What do you guys think about these triple black KYRIE lows? These are pretty dope if you ask me. They got the 3M check on there. When the light's off, it looks all black. These are pretty fire, bro. The strap is still dope. 3M on a Nike strap there. No design on the inside this time. Inside of the shoe, not bad. These are pretty fire. What do you guys think about these in the comment section? I like that little colorway right there. The Zoom pod, these have Zoom Air in them all day. Very dope shoe, man. A lot of people like the KYRIE lows. They like to ball in them. If you guys own a pair of these, do you guys wear them for casual or are you guys more hooping in them? Let me know in the comment section below. But these are pretty fire, man. Only a 110 price point for the KYRIE lows as opposed to 120 for the regular KYRIEs. But what do you guys think about these, man? Let me know your thoughts and opinions in the comment section. These came out today, October 1st. Triple black KYRIE 4 low. Triple black KYRIE 4s with the marble on the bottom. What do you guys think about these in the comment section? Some triple black action going on both of these KYRIE lows and KYRIE 4s. Let me know what your thoughts and opinions are on these in the comment section below, you dig? I say that like 50 million times because I want y'all to do that. I need your feedback. I appreciate it. And so we have found a new color Huaraches, which are pretty dope if you ask me. Let me know what you guys think about these in the comment section. Look like they would be for girls because of the pink there, but they're not. Maybe this is like a Miami colorway, 110 price point. What do you guys think about these in the comment section? Let me know below, you dig? Here's a new colorway of the Air Max 270s. If you guys own these, let me know. If you guys own a pair of Air Max 270s, period, let me know. What do these stand up against, you know, the other shoes that are out there? A lot of runners out there these days. A lot of them are comfortable. If you guys own these amongst other pair, let me know what you guys think about them and how do they stand up to the other ones. These are pretty fire though if you ask me. These 95s go pretty hard. A lot of white going on here, so I wouldn't cop them for myself. But the orange bottom, go with the orange. It's like actually it's like that red, that hyper red or whatever they want to call it that they be putting on them. Infrared. There we go. With the 3M on the back. What do you guys think about these 95? These must just be out too. I like the black midsole with that like hyper red or whatever orange, whatever that is at the bottom on the outsole. These are fire, bruh. 160 price point. What do you guys think about these in the comment section? These have been the talk of the town recently. The Elements, the React Elements 130 price point. What do you guys think about these shoes? And out of the colorways that they have, which ones are your guys' favorite? Because they have a lot of, okay, the bottoms is dope. That's unique. The bottoms have a lot of, they have a lot of colorways, and some of them are a lot more hyped than others. I know a lot of people like this one right here too. All three of these colorways are pretty dope. The black and white is nice too. You know, white midsole, white and black bottom. These are nice. What do you guys think about these Nike Epic Reacts? Are you guys a fan of these? Are you guys copping a pair? Let me know your thoughts and opinions on these shoes in the comment section below, you dig? These right here aren't bad either. Air Max 90 at the 140 price point. What do you guys think about these in the comment section below? They have actually two different ones. These ones are pretty dope too. The colorway is cool, a lot of white going on there, but it is a nice shoe, man. I'm not hating on shoes just because they're white. It's just hard for me to get them because I can't keep them clean like that, or it's too much effort. But it's a dope shoe and a dope model. They got some of them like triple black too with the gold Nike check. Fire, man. But I don't want to take too much time here and in the video. I need to get to Hollywood real quick. I'll see you guys later, you dig? Over here to Foot Locker and see if they still have them. It's only like 10:45, so I should be good, but you just never know. So I gotta hurry up and get over there. Saying, man, you just never know, bro. I came here for the Kobe's, and for some reason they didn't get their shipment in. This is the flagship store too in Hollywood. They usually always have stuff on point. I can't believe that happened. So now I'm about to go over here to Shoe Palace just to go take a look at what's going on, and then maybe cop something there, maybe not, but I'm highly disappointed that they didn't get them, man. How's everybody coming late on their shipments? That's crazy. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think about that and if it's happening in your city too. But they need to get this together. When they have a release date, they need to come here on the release date. But not pissed off, just, yeah, I am a little pissed off actually because I wanted to get these shoes today. They dope. But yeah, let's go ahead and see what we find here at Shoe Palace. So I made it on over here to Shoe Palace in Hollywood and Highland, one of the good spots that I go to a lot, and they were actually one of the stores that had the shoe. Everybody else's store has been talking about their shipment is late, but as you can see, they got the bad boys right here, which we're gonna go ahead and take a closer look at. But I just want to show you guys what these things is looking like. You feel me? I have not seen these pennies. 160 price point. What do you guys think about these in the comment section below? Let me know if you guys know the name of these or what the theme is with these. They got like a black suede all around there with some nubuck leather. Fire shoe, 160 price point. What do you guys think about those pennies? These other Air Up Tempos, these Scottie Pippens. These are fire, $160 price point. $169, my bad. $170 for these. What do you guys think about these? These are some heavy shoes. I don't see how you could play ball in them, but maybe you can. Maybe they're good for a big man or something like that. They used to be fire back in the day. I didn't do that either. What the hell? They got them in the black colorway and they have an original colorway that came out too. These were dope back in the day, man. Let me know if you guys are fans of these or not. These Scottie Pippens Air Up Tempos, pretty fire shoe. And then of course, these bad boys right here are super fire, these denims. I'm gonna pass on them because I have too many phones, which I will show you guys very soon. $230 price point. What do you guys think about these in the comment section? Are you guys copping or passing these? These are fire with that color, that clear blue bottom. Fire, 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 man. Let me know what you guys think about these in the comment section below. Hopefully the music's not too loud. You know how they do at Shoe Palace. Okay, I gotta talk a little loud because this music is booming here at Shoe Palace. But these are a dope color of the 97s for women. What do you guys think about these in the comment section? Are these a copper, pass, fire, or trash? There's no 3M reflective on it, which I thought there would be. Pretty dope. Let me know what you guys think about these in the comment section below. As well as these ones. These right here are pretty dope for girls too. I mean, these are some nice colorways they got for the ladies. Let me know if you guys agree with that. 160 price point, pretty dope. I like the black with the colors in here, man. I think just everything about the shoe is pretty dope. The colorway, the midsole being white is pretty dope. It makes the shoe pop a little bit more. Let me know what you guys think about these in the comment section below. And here's the kids section. As you guys can see, they got a lot of heat for kids here. They always do at this Shoe Palace. They got the 90s, the 70s, the 80s. They got all three of the pack from the generational pack. Here's the 90s. A lot of people, you guys have seen all these, but you never seen them really all in one place at the same time. Usually they're always separated, one or two shoes. But this shoe palace here actually has all three colors of the generational pack. So if you guys are looking for those, I suggest you guys come down here. These are for kids, like I said, kid sizes. They got the Fresno State Paul Georges, which are kind of hard to find. But this is just some of the things they have here for the kids up to size 7. These foam posits are not too bad. What do you guys think about these? And yeah, bro, I found what I needed, so I'm about to get out of here. Okay, so I came here and got what I needed. About to head back to the house, edit this video, do the review and all that good stuff. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Any shoes you guys saw in here, let me know in the comment section below, of course, like I always say. And if you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell. About to get out of here, man. Peace.